Okay, so with the new scene open up in Blender, I'm just going to show you guys how to navigate around basically the interface. So when you first open up, this is what you get started with. You've got cube, this is your camera over here, and that's basically your light source. So if you want to move around like this, basically you're going to need a mouse, and it's just clicking down on the middle mouse button and just move all over. And that will basically rotate the entire viewport to wherever you want. So if you'd like to go to specific views, you can just hit 1 on the numpad and that'll take you to front view. 7 takes you to the top view. And then you got your right view with number 3 on the numpad. And then also if you want to go back to your normal view, just going to click the middle mouse button and that'll do it here. So I'm going to show you guys how to just select different objects. So as you can see, the cube is selected here. And if I click anywhere out here, it's not selected. So it's just left click on the mouse and you can select your cube, left click, you can select your camera, left click, that's a light. And they get highlighted so you know what's selected and what's not. So if you want to delete an object that's in here, you just got to select it and click X and then delete. And then if you need to delete everything that's in your scene, it's just A, X, and delete. And then if you need to add anything like the basic cube back, it's Shift A, and you come over to Mesh, you've got a plane, cube, circle, basically all of these stuff over here. So you can add back the cube, and yeah, that's pretty much it. This is just a basic, just to show you guys how to delete stuff, add stuff, and just navigate your way around the viewport.